Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, it's an exciting one. Let's take your ponytail to the next level. Here are a few ponytail hacks to make your ponytail even better. Okay, you guys, hack number one. Do you have a droopy ponytail from either having too less of volume or too much volume? Do you have trouble getting your ponytail extension to stay secure on as well? Well, this hack will be for you. So I have my hair in one single ponytail right now, and it's not very perky, it's not tight, and it's not really what I was looking for. So the hack for this is to do a double ponytail. A double ponytail is where you create one ponytail with half of your hair first. So taking a very strong, thick ponytail holder, I'm gonna wrap this half pony pretty tightly, just like so. Then I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and I'm gonna brush it up into that ponytail to create or to combine them together. Taking another ponytail holder elastic that's thick and tight, I'm gonna wrap that one very tightly around underneath the first half ponytail. So see how much more perkier this is. It sets up for a really strong and secure base for your bungee ponytail extension as well. Okay, you guys, hack number two. I get tons of the bumpies when I pull my hair up into a ponytail. It can be very frustrating just seriously brushing over and over and over with no bumps going away. So I know how frustrating this is, but I have a solution that works really great for me. So I'm gonna brush all my hair up into a ponytail, and then when I put my ponytail into the elastic, those bumpies start coming out. You can kind of see them here. Okay, so taking a rat tail comb, ideally your hidden crown rat tail comb, but you want it to have this metal point. You don't want to use a thick plastic tip-ended rat tail comb because that might not work as well. It needs to be pretty small to be able to slide in here. So all I'm doing is literally sliding it into like my scalp, and then I'm just pulling back. So what this is doing is it's gonna help lay these bumps down and smooth them out easier. Just like that. All right, guys, hack number three, one of my favorites. It's how to make your ponytail a lot perkier than what it is when you get it on. This is perfect for if you have a ponytail extension and even if you don't have a ponytail extension, to make your ponytail a little bit perkier. What you're gonna need is a bobby pin, certain type. There's a few that you can use. There's the big size ones that you can get, and these might be better for someone with super thick hair, heavy hair, lots of volume. This one might be a little bit sturdier for you, but the other regular ones should work too. I also have these open style bobby pins that will work as well, and regular size bobby pins. Those can work too. Those are a little bit smaller, so I would recommend using one of these two first to see which one you like the most. Okay, so I'm actually going to use the open-ended ones, and I'm gonna use 2 to 3. I'm just gonna see which works as I go. Okay, you guys, so you're not gonna be able to really see what you're doing. You're gonna have to feel for where you're at. You're ideally wanting to stick the bobby pin straight into the center of your ponytail. If you don't get it perfectly through the center, it's no big deal. You can just kind of feel for where it will be sturdy and stand up. So here I've just kind of, and this is why I love these ones, is because I can separate them more, and it's almost like a little fork and it stays a little bit better in place. Okay, so I have this one in here, And I'm gonna use a second one for the other side. So basically I put one on one side and one on the other side, and it helps just kind of open up that ponytail a little bit better to be perkier. You just kind of feel for where you're at. Okay, just like that. And then you pull it down, and then look at how much bigger your ponytail is. It's just so much more perkier, and you have a better chance of it staying like that all day. And if you needed to make any adjustments, it's very easy to do so. So there you have it. That's one of my favorites. Okay, before we end this video, I wanted to also just give you a little quick tip on where to place your ponytail for your head shape and your proportions. So there's two different ways of following the rule of thumb. Is you can follow your chin line all the way up, and that will be a good place for a high ponytail on you. Or you can go even higher and start with the corner of your eye and just go up at a diagonal, which is where I have my ponytail at right now. So I hope you found these hacks to be really helpful, and I hope you try them out and they are successful for you as well. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com, and we'd be happy to assist you further. And also make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms down below to stay in the know on everything Hidden Crown. And make sure to check out these videos that relate to the video you just watched.